The air raid sirens went. We went to the shelter. We were a typical terraced house with the Anderson shelter at the bottom of a 30-yard garden, and the next door shelter would be 10 yards to the left and the other side would be 10 yards to the right. Now, the old lady on our right refused to go down the shelter. She was almost blind and she was old, and she said if she was going to die, she was going to die in her own house, in her own bed. She just simply refused to use the shelter. On the other side of the family, our neighbours and friends. Now, this particular night, there was a number of air raids, and 4 landmines straddled the road, completely demolishing the whole of the road. Now, I distinctly remember being in the shelter, hearing a rush of wind, followed by this noise that was the most deafening, frightening noise I'd ever heard in my life, followed by a sensation of the whole of your body being compressed in. The air was pushed out, and this hot, sticky feeling in there. My father had been on the back wall outside of the house, and the whole wall had collapsed on him, and that was what saved his life. The shelter itself had crumpled and bent, but basically had withstood the blast. And we came out of the shelter, and there was no street left. It was demolished. The next door shelter, with a family in, appeared to be okay. It stood. And the other side, the house where the old lady lived, that had been completely demolished, and there were some fires going on there. My father rushed to the next door, the family, and found them all to be dead. The blast had killed the whole family down there.